Good morning, friends. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. I came with a very attractive, knowledgeable, and very beneficial to each and every point. So, watch this video till end and collect all the needful and important information, thoughts while you feel according to your needs and desire. Today I want to discuss over the headness, cause and remedy. We the human being, we know it very well, we the human being are selfish by nature. Most among us are very selfish. Since we belongs to the different profession or also having the different source of income. But the sources what we have created to get something are able to fulfill our desire or not able to fulfill our desire, it doesn't matter, because our desire is unlimited. We always grow our desire and we want to fulfill our each and every desire in very satisfactory way from the sources what we have created or what we are having now. But sometimes what happens with us that some desire remain unfulfilled. We want to fulfill that desire anyhow. We also harm the other in fulfilling our desire. And we do also a lots of illegal, antisocial activities in fulfilling our desire. We tell lie, we cheat other, we misguide other, and a lots of the different ways we follow with others to fulfill our desire. And the hatiness start from there when we remain failure in fulfilling our desire. Our complaint or hatiness may be towards the people, system, agency, or sometimes hatiness also creates towards ourselves, because in following the illegal way to fulfill our desire, we oftenly do mistake after mistakes, because if we do not follow the legal way, if we do not follow the social way, if we do not want to make the good relation with others in fulfilling our desire, then definitely people do not give the response what I want to have from what I want to have from them, because all the people know what we are doing with them. Really, this is not a good, this is not the fair. So our hatiness start from there when we follow the illegal way and when we follow to fulfill our desire by following any ways, by following any methods. Hatiness is a very bad thing. Hatiness is just like the most powerful enemy which produced by our thoughts, by our nature, by our thinking. And that hatiness brings a lots of diseases, a lots of unfavorable things with it in our life. Like if we hate the other, definitely first we break the relation with others. We also become weaker and weaker internally and externally. a lots of the diseases, common diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes, gastric, mental disorder. Sometimes problem also arises related to our kidney, lungs and heart, because we feel alone. We feel nobody is ready, nobody is in a state to help us in this position, critical position, because what position we created are totally responsible. We are totally responsible for our every moment, every situation. So headness not come alone. It also brings a lots of different kinds of diseases, different kinds of unfavorable situation before us. This is the major cause of producing the headness. What is the remedy for it? In which way we lead our life, that we must not create this situation like headness towards other, towards agency, even towards ourselves. So that is the single methods, single way through which we overcome the headness. That is satisfaction. We should be satisfied with what we have. We should thanks to God to giving a healthy life on this earth. Definitely, if you are satisfied with what we have, satisfied with the sources, what we have created, and we must not desire more and more. We should get rid of our desire, because desires are unlimited. If we fulfill one desire, definitely same or different desire created there. So desire must be limited. We must not having desire more and more. We should be satisfied with what we have. This is the way through which we overcome the headness. If we be able to get rid of our headness, definitely we begin to spend the happy, peaceful and prosperous life. Because what we are seeing in our society, in our surrounding, that the 90% of the earning of people definitely goes on medicine and treatment. Today or tomorrow, if we are young, energetic, definitely we always do the things through which disease and some other unwanted things may be produced, but we do not feel, because we are energetic. We are having the more and more internal power, immune system, immune power. If our immune power is strong, no other diseases, no any kinds of diseases show their effect before us. But when we are in growing stage, when we reach to the stages about 45, 50 or 50 plus, then these kinds of the diseases which we allowed them in the earlier begin to show their effect. And this is due to our headness. This is due to our selfishness. Selfishness or greediness must be controlled. Desire also must be controlled. And that is the single way. That way is satisfaction. We should be satisfied with what we have. We should be very thankful to God, to the society, which enable us to lead free, enjoyable life. We should also thanks to the God for giving a good sources of income through which we can lead our life in a satisfactory way, peaceful way. We should also be helpful to others in our leisure time. we should sacrifice by helping the other. If you are not in a state to help the other by monetary ways, by money, it doesn't major matter. We can also help the poor and needy by many different ways, like giving the right suggestion, by helping when they are in critical position. If they need to know something more about the doctor and some other institute, we can also help by giving the goods information, detailed information about which they need to know. So the people belonging to different kinds of profession in our society, we can help them a lot in many different ways. It also satisfy us and help us in overcoming our desire, to control our greed, desire, because everything, satisfaction, dissatisfaction, way of fulfilling our desire, and if desire remain unfulfilled, how it can be controlled. These all types of the things can be done satisfactorily through our thoughts, through our thinking, through our way of life. So helping the poor, keeping faith on God, overcoming the desire, get control of our greed, selfishness, these are the main method, these are the primary method to control our hatedness, to control all the common diseases which must be try to enter into our life. And this is the demand, this is the needful things for today's. Today's everywhere there is a dense market of pollution related to the thoughts of the people, living style of the people, way of fulfilling the desire of the people. All these things at everywhere are found in a large scale, in a very wide range. So if we are having the medicine, like how we can control our greed, selfishness, how we can be satisfied with what we have, then definitely we do not receive any harmful effect from the pollution or different kinds of pollution which is spread all around us. I think a lots of the idea about reason of creation of hatedness, how it can be controlled, and couch, one can get the answer, one can get the idea about it in details from this video. If you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and also send me the comment about your feeling regarding the video. Thank you.